What's going on, you guys?
Sammy!
What's going on, you guys? We're gonna do a taste test. And a taste test challenge having to do with sodas. We have Pepsi, Coke, Dr. Thunder, Dr. Pepper. What are you laughing at?
Sammy looks so scared.
He's putting on his tail.
But he's like, with his eyes wide open. Look like one going this way, one going the other.
Watching.
Sammy, you're a star guest, baby. Hi, baby.
3 different types of sodas and brands, and she's gonna try to find out which one's which. Go. Dang, I'm supposed to taste and not drink it all.
Coke,
More or what?
Pepsi, Sam's Cola.
It's Summit Cola. You got one right.
Which one? The first one.
Nope.
The last one. It's the last.
Yeah, it's the last one. That one's Pepsi, this one's Coke, and that one's the Sam's Cola.
And I said this one was
Summit
Coke.
Cola. Yeah.
I said this. Damn!
And you said Pepsi the best.
It is the best. Okay, hold on.
Tell me. That's a Summit Cola. I really can't tell. I can't tell the difference. I can't tell.
Well, you
I
gotta
can't
make a
tell.
guess, baby.
These two taste the same. But
Damn.
there's a little bit of it.
Just wing it.
Okay.
5, 4,
Pepsi.
3. You said Pepsi for the second one?
Coke. Pepsi.
And Pepsi for the last one? The first one's Summit, second one's Coke, third one's Pepsi.
Okay. Take a guess. Take a guess.
What is that? Starry Mist? Sprite. Ooh, excuse me. Hold on. This one tastes like Sprite. No, Sprite. No, okay. Okay, I think the third one is Sprite. And the second one is... Sorry, Sprite, and Twist.
Starry. Twist third?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll find an answer. What?
Well, the first one, you said Starry, right?
Uh-huh.
It's not.
What is it?
That one is a Twist.
This one? What's this one?
Sprite.
I knew it!
Wait, let me...
I knew this one was Sprite. It was between these two. This started tasting like Sprite, but I was like, no, this one's Sprite.
Milo, I'm trying to hump him.
What are you doing?
He's over here trying to hump Sammy.
You're not gonna figure this one out at all. You're gonna be like, what the heck, babe? All right, turn around. Okay, let's see.
Okay. This one's lower. I wonder if that has to do with something.
For real, me too. You're not gonna guess it, cause I could have guessed it. It's like it tastes the same.
They taste the same. I'm gonna get full off tasting all of it. I can't find out. Starry, Twist, Sprite.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
You got it wrong. The first one's Starry, the second one is Twist, and the third one is Sprite.
This is Sprite. So I got this one right.
So you don't know.
Oh yeah. Oh, it says Sprite, Twist, Starry. I got the order.
Damn.
No way.
Look, no, yeah, look.
Wait, what? What? You mixed it. No wonder. You mixed it. No wonder I didn't know. I know.
Puse Coca-Cola y puse Summit Cola.
No manches. I didn't even taste the Coca-Cola. Second guessing or what?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god!
Wait.
What the fuck is that? Okay, that was Dr. Pepper. This is Dr. Thunder.
Dr. Thunder.
And I don't know what the f this is.
What?
What is that?
Why are you just staring me
I
down?
almost spit it out for some reason. I don't know what you did.
Okay, so you want the final answer?
Yeah.
That's your final answer?
Yeah.
You want results? That is Dr. Thunder.
No. This is Dr. Pepper.
Yeah.
These don't taste like Dr. Pepper. I don't know. Maybe because the gas is gone. It tastes weird.
I just opened it.
I know that's weird though.
I just barely opened it too.
You freaking gave me water. No, damn. And I was gonna throw up the water.
Can you go now?
Yeah, almost done, baby.
Dang, what's up? What's taking so long? Dr. Pepper.
The second one? The second one's Dr. Pepper? The second one's Dr. Pepper.
Mmm.
Oh, it's the second.
Well, it tastes chocolatey. What you put? You put chocolate milk?
I didn't have time to go to the kitchen.
Well, then what you put if you didn't have time? Why is it so milky? Ooh.
I'm sorry. I don't even have time to go to the kitchen. Why would I do that?
Tastes like milk. Like chocolate milk.
Okay.
I don't even see it around.
You ready?
It's the hot chocolate
Okay.
that you never finished. Or something.
No, looking at it.
This is Dr. Pepper.
The
Final
second
answer.
one.
And this is chocolate milk. I mean chocolate, hot chocolate.
The other one was hot chocolate. You got hot chocolate.
Baby, this one tastes more watered down. Did you put water in it?
In the first-
Did you put water in it?
in the first one,
Yeah.
I mixed the Sprite and the Coca-Cola with the Dr. Pepper.
And this one?
Oh, what I mixed with that one?
None?
Oh, I put Snapple.
I know. It don't even taste the difference.
Damn, I think this shit f***ed up my stomach.
Ooh, you got the bubble guts?
Yeah, like my stomach been. I feel like I got a fart or something.
It does taste like damn Dr. Pepper.
Right? Maybe.
He just stopped and stared at me. I bet Samuel was like,
For real.
sweet. 65, and this one is 43. This is a healthier choice, I guess you could say. ¿Y este? Mm. I forgot this was the one that has that I spit it in here. I forgot I spit the chocolate in here.
Chocolate in that tree. Damn whistle.
My back. 3. Well, let me count mine first. Oh, you didn't even write the right ones.
I didn't know what was supposed to.
We should never have a. We should never host a game show.